Building multi-file applications with autonomous agents usually requires a paid subscription, but the GLM-5.2 engine allows for the same level of engineering work on a free tier. GLM-5.2 handles up to 1 million context tokens, but without a specific harness, the model often over-explains its plans or chases directions that don't match the repository structure. To maintain reliability, we build a workflow using 5 pillars: model selection, the Z-code environment, discipline frameworks, tool restriction, and a continuous verification loop. This structure forces the model's processing power into a precise engineering lane, preventing the distractions common in standard chat interfaces. Inside the editor, click the account profile icon and navigate to the AI Models tab in the Settings menu. Select the strongest GLM-5.2 variant available, rather than the legacy models. Next, open the usage dashboard to check your daily token allowance. Most trial accounts provide 5 million tokens per day, which is enough to support long-running engineering tasks and extensive project context. Do not upload sensitive company data, private keys, or customer information to any free tier API. Limit your work to personal projects and open-source repositories. Verifying these quotas and data policies before starting prevents the agent from stalling mid-task or leaking non-public code. We enforce behavior using a discipline layer called King Mode. This forces the agent to assess the complexity of a request and commit to a clear implementation path before it begins writing code. In the Z-code skills panel, click Create New Skill, name the skill King Mode, and paste the discipline prompt from the description into the configuration. Add a second skill for the verification loop. This instructs the model to run tests and inspect its own diffs, explicitly forbidding it from claiming success until the code is verified. These rules solve the most frequent failure in AI coding, the tendency for agents to skip planning and provide confident but broken solutions. Activating too many plugins creates noise for the agent. When an AI has 20 active tools, the quality of the logic degrades as the model struggles to choose the right connection. In the MCP Servers panel, disable terminal and database connections. Leave only the web reader and Contact 7 tools active, so the agent can reference documentation without distraction. The agent must map the project's routing, framework, and database layers before it makes its first edit. Start a new chat and use the prompt, Use Explore Only. Read project structure. Do not edit. Review the resulting architecture map to ensure the agent understands the repository. If the AI begins editing files before establishing this context, it will likely overwrite critical settings or invent dependencies that do not exist. Restricting tool access and mandating this read-only phase prevents hallucinations and keeps the codebase stable during the build. A vague command like make a modern dashboard produces generic code that rarely works. Using a constrained prompt that requires planning and testing ensures the model follows the existing styling. Trigger the build using goal mode. Type /go ultrathink, followed by your feature requirements in the chat input. Watch the execution plan as it generates. Identify any vague technical assumptions such as a plan to add persistence without naming a specific technology. Pause the task if the plan is unclear. Type a correction, such as use SQLite for the database, and then resume the execution. Manual steering during the planning phase prevents the agent from completing an entire feature using the wrong architecture. Once the code is written, force the model to review its own diff. Command it to look for broken flows and styling inconsistencies against the original goal. Open the browser preview and launch the developer tools. Check the console for rendering errors. If one appears, copy the exact text and line numbers. Paste this data back into the chat instead of asking the model to fix the app generally. Use negative design constraints to control the UI. Listing anti-patterns, such as avoid purple gradients, prevents the agent from generating generic AI-style interfaces. Establishing this human-in-the-loop verification cycle ensures the generated code meets the requirements of a production-ready feature. This completed setup integrates the GLM-5.2 engine with Z-code, King Mode discipline, minimal tools, and a verification phase. You now have a workflow capable of tackling multi-file features and long-horizon engineering tasks. Test this setup on a real-world project, such as a sponsorship dashboard or a local CRM, where persistence and UI verification are necessary to complete the task. You can find the discipline prompts in the description. Monitor your daily token usage as you iterate on your first feature. Autonomous multi-file coding no longer requires a high-cost subscription for those willing to apply this level of architectural discipline.